Yeah, well, all installers aren't the same. You know, you've got sales companies and you've got solar companies. There's a lot of companies out there that mask as a solar company, but they're really sales companies, and they just have a team of salesmen. Some of them don't even come out on site and assess the home. They'll just do it all on the telephone and sell you a system that they want to sell you. The right solar company would be someone that would come out and assess the home, lift up the meter box, let you know what's going to happen before it happens, because there's lots of things that a lot of people don't even realise need to happen before the solar system's installed, and a lot of these people are getting bitten at the other end when the solar system's in, the solar system's been paid, all of a sudden it's time to put the meter in, and the meter company says, well, we're not going to put the meter in because there's all these problems in your meter box. These are things that we flag before the solar system is installed. So when you go into it with your eyes open, and you know all of the pitfalls and you know all of the problems that could occur. The right solar system for anyone depends on three things we say. How much roof space do you have? How much energy do you want to generate? And how much money do you want to spend on it? When we find the right balance in all of those, we've got the right system for you. So a system design is all based around the roof. We've got tight roofs that we need to get a lot of solar panels on. So we need to make sure that we're maximising the aspects and the shade and the constraints within the system that we're designing as well. Even now, you know, there's a massive gap in what people know, and there's a massive gap in what people need to know. We really need to educate them, and that's why it's really important to have someone sitting down with you at the table, because if you're not being educated, you're being sold what someone else wants to sell you, not what you need.